everybody, welcome back to your phonics for today. It is Thursday. We have got one more day left. Congratulations, we have made it through this crazy year. So what I would like you to do is, for a quick rewind of yesterday, you will remember these four letter families with our angry red A, and it was a special A because it was our split digraph. So all I would like you to do, just for your quick wake up this morning, is I would like you to think of two words that could go in each of my columns, and I'd like you to write them down. So we're going to do a rewind. Can you remember two AIM words? Can you remember two AIT words? Can you remember two AIC words? And can you remember two AIN words? Then once you've done that, you can come on back to me to start today's new sound. Okay, so you will notice something very similar to today's grapheme that was very similar to yesterday's grapheme, and it is this little smiley face here. It's not a smiley face. This is a split digraph. So remember that sound goes in the middle and it makes what sound? What sound does this split digraph make? I've got an E and an E. What sound does it make? I'm hoping you're all noticing the colour as well. It makes our E sound. Everybody practice. E, and again, E. Brilliant. So again, just to make sure that we can practice our beautiful handwriting, we are going to do it 5 times, but remember you need a little space between each of your letters. So we're going to do an E, loop the loop, take our pen off, and an E over here, and an E, and an E. So because there are 2 E's for each sound, we're going to do a bit of maths here. I want you to do it 5 times. So how many E's will I be doing all together? 10. 10 E's, and hopefully your E's will be beautiful by the time you come on back to me for this reading session. Now, okay, unlike yesterday, where our A sound was really common using our split digraph, this one we don't really see it very often, okay? There are not lots and lots of words that use our split digraph E, okay? One of them that we do use a lot, so it probably seems like there's a lot of words because it's very common, is this word here. I'll use my colours for this one, and then we will slowly get rid of them. Okay. You notice there's a tricky witch over that. Okay. Do we recognise this word? E, and then it's a tricky witch. Doesn't make a s sound, it makes more of a z. Z, ease, these, these, these. Fantastic, these. So we use these a lot when we're doing our writing. So it probably sounds like we do use our split digraph quite a lot, but it's not very common, not very common. So we've got these. We're ready for the next one. I'm not going to use my colours for this one. I want you to have a go now. I'll get that one. E, m, e, m, e, m. The theme for the party was superheroes, so I wore my best cape and mask. The theme, fantastic, and we'll do one more. Oh, not my green. Let's go for more than quite a lot of syllables on this one. Done it again, look. I keep crossing my T's. Have got that one. T, k, a, m, p, l, eat, k, p, l, eat, k, p, l, eat, complete. Brilliant, complete. Tricky word, that one. Complete, have a think. Do you know what that means? Complete. Could use it as another word for the whole. It's like a whole, the complete thing. The complete thing. Fantastic. Okay, so writing activity. As there's not a lot of words, I think the best thing for us to do is just to write some sentences using some of the words already. Don't worry, I have still got a few extra other than the ones that we've read. So your first sentence I would like you to write is, let me think. Oh, we ready? The jigsaw was complete. The jigsaw was complete. That's the first sentence that I would like you to write for me, please. The jigsaw was complete. If you need to pause this to get your sentence finished, then pause it now. If not, we're ready for our next sentence. So our next sentence is, I used concrete to build. I used concrete to fix my floor. Another one of those year 2 words there. I used concrete to fix my floor. I used concrete to fix my floor. Again, if you need a bit more time, pause. If not, your final sentence is, we went to the theme park. We went to the theme park and it was extremely fun. We went to the theme park. This is a trickier sentence. We went to the theme park and it was extremely fun. We went to the theme park and it was extremely fun. That's my longest sentence there. You might be able to notice that there's more than one E word in that. Okay, now let's see how well you have done with those sentences. So the first one, the jigsaw was complete. So the jigsaw, even if you don't know, you can use your phonics to sound it out. J-ig. And we did saw, not last week, the week before. Was it last week? Jigsaw. The jigsaw was. Oh, can't see my board there. Back a bit. There we go. Was complete. And I know that it's got an E on the end because it is a split digraph. Complete. So you could have chunked that one as well. Com and pleat. Complete. Fantastic. The jigsaw was complete. The next sentence was, I used concrete to fix my floor. I used concrete to fix my floor. So I used, just a tricky word, that one. Used, and it's past tense, so it has the D on the end. I'll give you a tick if you got that one. I used concrete, so I can chunk it again like I did. Eat. Oh, it's another E with a T in the middle. Eat. I used concrete to, nice easy words now, fix my, and year 2, tricky word, floor. F-L-O-O-R. 2 ticks if you got floor, 2 ticks for concrete, 1 for used. Oh, I didn't give you 2 ticks for complete. Fantastic. Okay, so this one, a bit longer of a sentence. I went to the theme park and it was extremely fun. So nice and easy. Starting off, I went to the theme park. Now we've read theme, so hopefully you have remembered that one. So E, and then it's a M in the middle. Theme park. Theme park. And I've used my coordinating conjunction there. And it was, or extremely, let's sound this one out. And it's ly, extremely, L-Y, extremely fun. So we can see this, and then you've got L-E on the end, extremely fun. I'm going to give you 3 ticks for that one if you got that one right, and 2 ticks for theme. I went to the theme park and it was extremely fun. Tricky one, that one, extremely. So extremely well done if you got that right. Okay, so for your independent activity today, what we're going to do is you're going to create your own word search. Okay, now this is easy if you've got squared paper. If you haven't got squared paper, do not worry at all. You can just do it on normal paper. Okay, so first thing you need to do get your squared. If you've got lined paper, that's even better than plain paper, because plain paper is going to be tricky because you're drawing all of your lines. Obviously yours is going to be a lot neater than mine. I'm trying to just do it really quickly for you. And I've not used a ruler, which we all know we should be using a ruler. Okay. The idea is each square then becomes a letter. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is choose some of our E words that we have used today. So I'm going to write complete in here. Complete. Oh, I knew that was going to happen. I'm just going to add an extra one on the end. E. So then I've got my word there. Then I'm going to look for a different one. Let me think, what other words have we used? Concrete. So you have to just learn from my first one, learn from your mistakes of not counting the squares before you write it. Now I'm going to be sneaky here. I'm going to use this, see, I'm going to go up. Can you see how I've added concrete there? I've got complete there. Let me see, what other words have we got? Extreme, maybe? I need another one on the end. And this word search is going to be huge by the time I've done, because I keep adding things. E-X-T-R-E-M, extreme. We'll put that down there. I'm going to put theme. Might do this one backwards over here actually. E, make it extra tricky, Theme, I'm going to go for 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll put 5. What else have we used? And then I'm going to add these as well. So let me do it down here. T-H-E-S-E, because we've done that one. Okay, I'm going to change my colour pen so you can see what I'm doing. So once you've plotted your words that you want people to find, before you forget them, write them down the side so that people know what words are in your word search to find. So I know that theme is on there, extreme is in there, complete is in there, these is in there, and concrete is in there. Okay, so I know that those words are in there, because once you put them in, might be a bit tricky for you to remember which ones you've put in, because they've hidden so well. Now, I'm only doing it in a different colour so you can see. Okay, you need to do it all in the same colour, otherwise it's going to make it obvious for the people that are challenging your word search too. Okay, and then all you do is put lots of random letters in the boxes around. Put an S in there, an M, an O, a P, an R, a T, a T. It's always good to put similar letters. Okay, so now you can see I've added in all of my extra letters, and if I'd have done them in the same colour, you will see that it will all have blended into one big word search. Okay, then you can challenge whoever you fancy to solve it. So what I'd like you to do, create your own word search, but if you want to do a little bit more, there will be some split digraph challenges in your phonics packs. Have a lovely day, and we'll be back tomorrow. See you soon.